What's up, chat? Day 4? 3? I don't know. Why is this one drip? It's not in the ponytail, that's why. The messy button. Whatever. But yeah, today's jet ski day. I don't know how I'm about to record this. I'm really gonna try my best. But hopefully I could get some record because the ATVs blew me. Because I ran out of storage. But hopefully we can find something out, cook something with this. You know what I'm saying? Just day. You know what I'm saying? Grandson trucks. These slop. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We with JETSKI. Yeah. But yeah, that's the, that's the vibes. That's the what's it called. But yeah, that's the plan. I'm gonna try to get some videos in. Yeah. Getting an Uber right now. I'm talking about I'm off 1 hour of sleep. She off like 4 hours, 3 hours of sleep.
I didn't sleep. I was just laying there.
She ain't even sleep. He didn't even sleep for real. But we all like, we ready for this. Because I can't go to sleep. And then, ain't none of that. We out traveling, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, get back to y'all when we get some type of activity going. So, we got here. I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't think I'm gonna be able to record because it's like, I don't wanna risk dropping this in there. You know what I'm saying? There's like, I'm gonna be going pretty fast. And it's just like, I'm not gonna hold it on. There's nothing to really hold. Like, there's something to hold on it, but it's like, I'm going fast, that's just gonna fall off. I'm not gonna risk it. So I'm gonna try best to record on my phone and add the clip that way. But yeah, I'm gonna catch back with y'all when I get back on land. Try to get as best content as I can for y'all. Appreciate y'all. Oh yeah, chat, we on it now. I'm about to they ass over there. She's struggling to get on the shit. There's DJ. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna whip this motherfucker. They going a little too damn fast for me. But once I get this down, it's over with. Toes, y'all know, tap in. I'm on Feet Finder, you know what I'm saying? I'll give y'all a deal. Hit me up. We're currently slowly but surely, scooting all the way to the place where you can stand in the middle of the ocean. I didn't know you can do all that rah-rah. You know what I'm saying? I'm a med major. I don't do all this nature, all this raza. But, yeah. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, let me take the clip off this motherfucker. Did I get to finally see my sexy face? Stop it. Yeah, this shit lit though. This nigga DJ is on live. And he was trying to record while he's on JETSKI. You see, listen, I got wheel. But this motherfucker a little too fast to be on my phone and try to drive, you know what I'm saying? Because if I drop my phone, shit. And I'm really glad I didn't bring my camera. Because that shit would have been on the floor. That shit would have been on the floor. But I got wheel though. Yo, so I'm riding this motherfucker, right? So I'm talking shit. I'm like, yeah, I got wheel. Next thing you know, I get my shit smacked by some water. I shut my ass up so fucking fast. I can shut up so quick. But other than that, I got wheel though. You know what I'm saying? This is quite beautiful. Toes look amazing. I should grab this and throw it in. Look good. Yeah, you ain't like that, huh? You said what? Y'all don't tap into this video and like it. All that chat, I'm gonna circle back real quick. Stupid. Y'all don't like this video? I don't know what's wrong. This straight content right here. Who you know doing it? You don't know that. I'll get back with y'all. I guess they saying we crashed. Well, they saying this nigga crashed.
Don't say that.
But you was chilling, so I don't even know what they talking about. I'm talking about I was perfectly whipping that motherfucker.
Okay.
Hey, DJ.
Alright, ladies. Very quickly.
Hey, sand is hot.
Reservation? Okay.
Chop, get into the water.
What time is your reservation?
You go ahead and say this shit, bro.
Man, Why the fuck? Motherfucker is jet skiing. Motherfucker, we not gonna say no names, but somebody hit somebody jet ski, and now we gotta come out 1,500, and they just flagged our flights. Talking about we can't leave the island till that shit paid. Fries, mud. But it's alright though. We ain't really tripping. Motherfucker's a little blue right now, but you know that shit really on the flow. So we finna go back to the B&B, grab this fucking cash, come right back here and pay these fucking losers. Just blame the black people, I guess, but shit, we don't fuck with y'all. Cameraman done took over. Vester too blue to speak right now. Fries.
Chat. It's been a long day, man. This day it started off amazing, then it just went. But we're gonna try to end on a bang. We're on vacation, bro. Ain't no time to mope around and blaza blaza, you feel me? I got rocking a messy bun right now. Like I need to take an earring break, my shit hurting. Peep the pimple patch. But yeah, we better go out again. It's downtown La Placita. Yeah. It's Friday, so it's gonna be busting. And I know tomorrow's gonna be busting. Yeah. So that's the itinerary. The itinerary today was really go, what's it called? Jet skiing, then go-kart, then get some food, chill, and then do this. But we skip all that, the rah-rah shit. Had to get my phone fixed, all this stuff. But now we just, yeah, we gotta go downtown, try to get some more content for y'all. And then, yeah, tomorrow, I think it's the last day. We'll go flake up, go down to Old San Juan, flake up, do this stuff, get some food, and go outside again for the one time, and that's it for the trip. Yeah. So that's how it's coming good, because my haircut not lasting that much longer. Yeah, can't keep going out like this. But yeah, I'm trying to get back with y'all when we get back outside. I don't know if this messy bun is looking right. I think I might have to fix it. But yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all.
I wanna see you bust down, pick it up, right now, keep it, break it down, speed it up, that's all, let's get down on it, slow it down, bust it, bust down, bust it, bust down, bust down, knock me out, I wanna see you bust down, pick it up, now break that shit down, break it down, speed it up, that's all that shit down on it, slow it down, bust it, bust down, bust it, bust down on it, I was you with my kid, my
Currently, we're just walking around. What? Talking to the camera, man. I ain't talking to your ass. There's definitely more people today than the other day for sure.
Tomorrow's probably gonna be worse.
Saturday might be crazy.
I was pitching springy. These bitches so cranky. Give me my hanky. My mommy, I'm cold. Give me my blankie. Flying through the kite. I get higher than a pumpkin. Keep the snow white. I can buy it like a bunny. That's the cookies up with it crumbly. Don't be acting like the kind of girl that
Free love, free love. Touching elbows, free toes, free toes. Those that ass with your knees touching elbows. I'm a love money like a free dog.
Ride with the mob, do all this. Just with me, and do the job. Third is the name, Baller is the chain. 20 for the watch, cause he plain Jane. Lamborghini chain, rest in peace to my superior. Every man's with a feet, a village in Liberia. TMZ taking pictures, call them like hysteria. Mama see me on BET, it's cafeteria.
Alright, just the aftermath. Ain't no aftermath tomorrow though. We outside all night tomorrow. We had some food set, you know what I'm saying? Rest in peace, my Apple Watch. Oh my goodness.
He got that bitch on for that.
My phone's still tweaking.
You heard me?
I still got, I got this bitch for the aesthetic.
You got that bitch on for the aesthetic, right?
I was supposed to have a gold watch, but I'm not even gonna get angry though. You know the combo.
I had one you could have wore. That bitch got it's black and gold and it got chocolate face. It's my suitcase. You ain't say you wanted a gold watch. I got 2 gold watches. Nah, right.
I told you to ask him. I told you to ask him.
You did. I thought this nigga had no gold watches in his inventory. Nah. Stop even talking to me. We're bringing that bitch tomorrow. Yo, you know what I could be doing?
You wasn't trying to complete your fit for real. You ain't asked. Hey, closed mouth don't get fed. You can lead a horse to water, but you can't force it to drink it. Wise words from DJology.
Just eat my shit from the fucking Neptune or something, I guess. But anyway, Chef, the high ponytail, it does numbers. With the shades on, like, it does. Like, let me really show y'all what I was working with.
Now I gotta find it so I can show them.
Girls was like, hey, I was like, sorry, my baby. You know my type of shit. But nah. We gotta get some food. And then that's it for the vlog. I'm gonna try to edit this as soon as possible. But I still got an exam to take, so I'm gonna take that instead. These videos upload them whenever I feel like it. Fuck all that. I did 2 back-to-back. That's the best y'all getting out of me. Fuck with y'all. You know how we coming. Girl, just look at it.
Yeah, they go.
Sexy.
Go ahead, record y'all videos and pictures, man. They do this every time. Me personally, I just get to eat it.
Yeah, made it back to the crib. That's the end of the.
We are worn out, y'all.
Today was a day, bro.
And we just got food.
Today,
Full as hell.
Today was not. It was good and it was buns and it was. You know what I'm saying? But it is what it was. Yo, Mike. Yo, I hate that my tripod be leaving these marks on my shirt. I mean, my shit look dirty. But the fit is fire though, you know what I'm saying? We came trim today. Real trim, you know. I think the ponytail's in the method check. I'm not gonna lie. Especially if I got a haircut. And I put the goals in today. One of them is missing. We'll save it for tomorrow's last day. This pimple is really OD pissing me off. But it is what it is. You know how hard it is to perfect a messy ponytail? This is the perfect mess bun right here. You know how hard it was to perfect this motherfucker?
You've had better.
I've had better, but this one's tough. This one's tough. But yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all next vlog. This is the day 4. Yeah, day 4. We got day 5 tomorrow. Yeah.
40 guns, your bitch got like 40 sons, cause tell her hard slut, yeah. Your bitch got like 40 sons, cause your hoe getting fucked, yeah. We pull up with 21s inside a Bentley truck, yeah.